Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. One question that I would like to address in this video is that how to make home cooking sustainable. Is it possible to make home cooking a daily routine that you can do it every single day? Home cooking takes time and is generally considered as a chore, something to avoid if possible, particularly in the modern busy lifestyle. For most people, home cooking is no different from doing laundry and washing dishes. And when you come home from work, why do you want to do more work in the kitchen? I used to think along the same line, but now, because of my fast cooking system, that has changed completely. The word fast are the 4 attributes of the cooking system. It stands for flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking. Because of the fast cooking system, home cooking has become spontaneous and intuitive. Every time when I walk into the kitchen, I'm looking forward to it because cooking is not a chore, rather than it is like a hobby. It is time for me to have fun, to be creative, relaxing, and also reflective. In this video, I would like to provide you a model how my fast cooking system has helped me to make home cooking into something that I enjoy and take pleasure of every time when I walk into the kitchen. Perhaps to me, the first and foremost important factor is its efficiency. Using my fast cooking system, I'm able to cook a meal from start to finish in less than 30 minutes. This is about the right amount of time that I would like to spend in the kitchen. Because it takes only 30 minutes for me to make a meal, I don't mind to do it every single night. If it takes 1 hour each night, I probably would not do it regularly. It is easy for me to find 30 minutes to cook a meal because I realize that even if I went to have fast and processed food, it probably would take me about the same amount of time. This salmon dish is a good example because it takes about 20 minutes from start to finish. There are 2 reasons for the efficiency of the fast cooking system. First and foremost is advanced prepping. This salmon dish is a relatively complicated dish and it takes 6 different ingredients. It takes me about 5 minutes to gather all the ingredients. I even have time to set the table. Without advanced prepping, it would not be possible for me to cook this dish, because it would take me at least an hour to prep all these ingredients. Why with so many different ingredients, that you might ask? You know the answer already, it is variety. Just imagine when you have a salad, you want to have other ingredients just than lettuce in your salad. You would like to have other vegetables such as tomato, cucumbers, onions, etc. You might also like to have bacon bits, croutons, cranberries, and almonds. The idea is exactly the same. When you cook a dish with multiple ingredients, it will make the dish more interesting. At the same time, the dish will be more flavorful as well as more nutritional. Most people will agree a cooked dish is more desirable than a salad. Just like prepare a salad with multiple ingredients, a cooked dish with multiple ingredients takes too much time. However, this is possible with advanced prepping. Through advanced prepping, all you need to do is prep once and you will be able to cook for the entire week. Advanced prepping has another advantage, that is, it makes home cooking more creative because you can pick and choose from the ingredients that you already have in your advanced prepping. In the fast cooking system, a stir frying is the key attribute to provide the efficiency in home cooking. By cutting the ingredients into small size, a stir frying greatly accelerates the cooking process. With the wok, you can cook most of the dishes through stir frying somewhere between 5 to 10 minutes. However, the wok also can carry out many other cooking functions other than stir frying. In this video, I use the wok both for stir frying and pan frying. Pan frying has an advantage in charring the salmon to create a crispy surface, particularly with the skin of the salmon giving them great flavor and texture. By cutting the salmon into thin slices, the cooking time is greatly reduced. Frying the salmon in small slices is a great technique. It not only reduces the cooking time, but it also provides better control on how much you want to cook salmon and prevent them from overcooking. Another advantage in cooking the salmon with this method is that you will have much better control and will be able to create a crispy texture on every side of the salmon pieces, not just the top and the bottom. The use of the sequential cooking technique is great for cooking different ingredients in the same wok, because ingredients require less cooking time could be added during the later phase of the cooking process. For example, I'm adding the sugar snap peas, asparagus, frozen broccoli, and portobello mushroom to the wok when the salmon is about 60% done, because all of these food ingredients take less time to cook than the salmon. Using the sequential cooking technique, I can cook multiple ingredients in the same wok without a concern of overcooking any of them, in creating a dish that all the ingredients are perfectly cooked to the desired texture. Here I actually combine both fresh vegetables and frozen vegetables. In this case, I used frozen broccoli, which I took directly from the freezer to the wok without thawing them out in advance. This method will preserve better the texture of the frozen vegetable and make them more like fresh broccoli. At this point, the salmon is cooked on the outside. I switched from pan frying to stir frying. The salmon pieces are sealed and would not fall apart during the cooking process. However, I do not want to take any chances, and I stir fry the contents carefully. I choose these 4 vegetables for multiple reasons. The first and foremost is that they are available in my advanced prepping. Allow me to select them to cook this dish. Now, I have never used this combination before, but their availability gives me the opportunity to try out this combination. I call this cooking approach a template-based cooking because I follow the basic salmon and vegetable stir-fry template to cook this dish, with the main difference in substituting the vegetables for this dish versus the other dish that I have cooked earlier. Seasoning the dish is probably the most important part of cooking, providing a way to change the characteristics of the ingredients in a dish, creating different culinary experiences. In my fast cooking system, I call this aspect of the cooking process flavor chasing, a term to describe that you are constantly improving the flavor of your dishes by creating ever better culinary experiences, making home cooking a process of improvement and exploration. The final ingredient that I add to this dish is cherry tomatoes, making the dish more diverse from both the culinary and nutritional standpoint, just like I am creating a salad. Being possible because of advanced prepping, these ingredients are available right at my fingertips. This dish is completely new to me, a unique combination of ingredients and seasoning agents. By taking individual parts of other dishes in creating a new dish from scratch without the use of recipes, making the cooking process more spontaneous, more creative, and more satisfying in an environment where cooking is no longer a chore. To me, this is the only way to make home cooking sustainable when there are so many other options for meeting your daily food requirements in the place of home cooking, in making the decision to cook or not to cook. I want to help you to make home cooking as part of your daily routines, taking a small portion of your time every day in carrying out these vital functions in your life, which is an investment of your future, by posting a video each day to introduce to you my fast cooking system. which I believe will change your life and your relationship to food. If you'd like to learn more about my fast cooking system, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So keep on cooking. I will see you tomorrow.